What is your feeling about our IAER management students?
See, as much as I had interacted with, they're good enough in their particular skill set. If I talk about, obviously, as I had told earlier also, like need specific mindset kind of session where they can develop thinking positively, or they can bring out the positive from each and every activity. That is required. That is not for a particular student or something. That is required for all of us, and it will help them to grow in future. Because as we talk, if I talk about a particular person growth, initially we can move our career or we can grow in our career with the technical skills. After certain time, if I talk about, then we have to develop our personal and behavioral skills to be the particular position. And it's very important to work on this skill set. Obviously, I can sure they will have a great future from the studies as well as their particular professional.
So this today's visit of the management students of IAER will definitely, I think, help in their future, right? When they will be in the work field. So what is your advice for them?
Advice is whatever they are going to learn over there and what are the things. When we, I am not talking about the technical skills. Technical skill is something which is dependent on their particular fields. I am talking about only the personal and behavioral skills. Whatever they've seen in the plant, from the entrance, the security person, how they are behaving, how we are behaving with them. So that is much important than particular technical skill. If any person learns this particular skills, obviously they will going to score high.
So would you like to visit our IAER campus?
Sure, that will depend obviously because we are having a requirements in our particular fields. But as is a manufacturing industry, we specifically require the technical guys and the technical hiring, campus hiring driven by the HO itself. Sometimes we are a part of the panel and accordingly plan for it. We personally I wish to visit and wish to see you all.